Hi, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Today, on Find It, Fix It, Restore It, Build It, bought myself a new tool bag, or a tool tote, because it's got a handle, so it's not a tool bag, whereas my old one is a tool bag. This is slightly larger than that one, that's a Stanley Fat Max. This is the Bahco 19A. That's the specifics. So got a big box today from Amazon, and my new tool bag, tool tote, was in there. So I thought I'd do a quick review on this because there's not many online, and I couldn't really find that much information out about the 4750fb1-19a. So first of all, I'll show you the card on the end there, and that's just the length, width and height. So we'll start with this end here. So you have a place to put your name tag. You've got a place to put your tape measure. A pocket there for some drill bits or screwdrivers to go in the end there. I don't know if you can see that in that pocket there. Or you could put pens in there, things like that. And obviously you've got the pocket there with no holes, so you could put stuff in there quite easily. That folds up. I'm going to turn it around to the front. You have two elastics, and that would be for your spirit level, if you're using this for a spirit level. I'm an auto electrician by trade, and I work on vehicles, doing vehicle installations and stuff, so I will not be using this as a builder's tool tote. I'll be using this for all my tools. So I've got all the pockets along the front here. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets, and a pocket with a lid. Then we come around to the end. On the end here we've got just a nice big pocket, and you've also got all your screwdriver holders here, so you can put multiple screwdrivers in the end. So let me turn around this way, put it back down here. You have two large pockets here, ideal for putting screws, things like that in, I'd imagine, or any other items you wanted. So then that does up. Then we have a saw holder. You have quite a long strap on the end here for your saw, so you could just slide a saw in there, or you can open it up, I guess, and use it for putting something else in if you needed to, and then strap the end up and velcro it up, and you can have it as a pocket for a larger item. So that's the the outside. It comes with a strap on the top, so you can put it over your shoulder if you want, and it also comes with your carrying straps on here. So this is for whatever you needed to carry on the top. Wood, you want to carry some lengths of wood, or just any rods, anything you're using, obviously you can then strap them in to your two straps on the top. Inside the tool bag we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 internal pockets. So it's a good tool bag. Looks to be tool tote, looks to be pretty strong and solid. I've been using the Stanley Fat Max, you can see behind there. So that's the Bahco 4750fb1-19a, meaning it's 19 inches long. So now we're going to transfer everything from there over to here, and can I just have a look at my current tool bag and how I am using this, if you're interested. So this is quite a useful tool bag. It's been well used. It's got holes in it on the front. There's plastic on the bottom's worn out. So I have two drills in here. Battery tester. Then we have all my cable ties, because I use a lot of them in my job. Screwdrivers I can just transfer straight over, and they can just go straight into the end like this. This is really good for me because you can see there I've modified this current tool bag to take all of my screwdriver bits, because before they were just all in the bottom because there was nowhere to put any of this, and constantly having to hunt around in the base of the tool bag. That's my Bahco cutters, they're good cutters. A pair of crimpers, just ordered some new ones to replace these. These are well old. Well, I'm buying a new tool bag, might as well get myself a couple of new tools. Right, Sealy inspection lamp, a whole load of screws on the bottom, which needs charging because I haven't used it in months. So yeah, this is my current tool bag setup. Just haven't got enough pockets in this now for what I need. It's just too small, and it's really annoying having to try and get these over the top every time you want to pick this up to carry it. So that's why we went over to the bigger one and got this new, yeah, all of these are things I use all the time in my impact driver, all my Torx bits and extensions. And the great thing about this one now is I've got somewhere to put all of those on this end and on this end, and that's something that I couldn't find any photos of online, was what the actual pockets and that looked like on this tool bag. So this is the same, and they do the same one with a cover that comes over the top and a hole for the handle. There's no difference in the tool bag other than the cover. So yeah, just a quick everything inside the Bahco tool bag. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more, because I do all sorts of fixing and restoring and car stuff on this channel. If you enjoy that sort of stuff, then subscribe for more, give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.